So how do you switch off the torch light on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So the flashlight or torch light next to the camera can be managed or changed by the toggle in the control center. So if you go to control center, you can find the flashlight, you can tap on it and like change it, right? And turn it off or on. You can also just tap on it and adjust the intensity like that. So you can use this toggle in here. You can see that it kind of works, right? And yeah, that's okay because you can make it go lighter or darker. If you for some reason do not see the flashlight icon in the control center, click on the plus button right there, tap on add a control at the bottom and look up the flashlight like this, right? So you can see that you can add it in case you don't see it right away. But outside of that, of course, there are more places where you can have it. Like a lot of people have it on the lock screen, like it's a toggle there, right? On the iPhones like 15 Pro or 16 Pro, where you have the, the action button instead of the mute switch. You can also choose that action to be for the control of flashlight, right? So you can see plenty of ways how you can control it. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to just set it up the way that you want. By the way, one last thing which just crossed my mind is that you can also have it turn on for notifications. So inside of your settings, if you go to accessibility and the audio and visual, at the bottom you also have the LED alerts flash in there. So it just means that the torch can also be turned on when you receive a call or a message or a different notification as well. Okay, but this is everything I wanted to show you now. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos.